well. Ladies and gentlemen, and my very dear aspirants, this is Mohammad Asadullah Godal this side, or I have come with a very exciting news for you. We are actually launching a platform called the Guidance Grid, as you all must know. We have been sharing some posters around it as well. So I have come along with the news. Basically, I have come up with an idea and a challenge for you all. मेरे उस्ताद हैं, वो कहते हैं कि the winning horse takes his last steps with full vigor. एक ऐसा घोड़ा, एक ऐसा कैंडिडेट, एक ऐसा एस्पिरेंट जिसने जीतना होता है, जिसने टॉप करना है, जिसने एस करना है इस एग्जाम को, he will take his final steps with a full vigor. What does that mean? इसका मतलब बेसिकली ये है कि वो कैंडिडेट कभी भी डिमोरलाइज नहीं होगा, वो मायूस नहीं होगा. He will never go into the despair. वो अपनी नर्व्स पे कंट्रोल करेगा. और ये तभी हो सकता है जब आप श्योर हों कि you have prepared yourself to the best of your abilities. And in order to make sure that you are polished, your expression is polished, and you're ready for the examination, we have come up with a 7 days essay challenge. अब एक सवाल पैदा होता है कि why only essay challenge is being offered? Because it is commonly called in the competitive examination, essay paper is a paper which is called a killer exam. It kills all of the preparation if someone is not able to pass it. The people who are able to pass it, they're bound to ace the exam. So इस essay challenge में हम offer क्या करेंगे आपको? आप मैं ये make sure करूँगा, by the grace of Allah, I have been able to ace this exam 4 times and I've been able to pass it. So यहाँ पे what we are offering you is that आपके essay में कोई structural flaw है, कोई relevance का flaw है, कोई coherence के issues हैं, आपके शायद आपके argumentation में कुछ vagueness है, your arguments are not hitting the bullseye, right? तो इस तरह के कोई भी issues हैं, we'll make sure that we'll polish your expression, we'll make sure that you pass this examination, we'll make sure, and how will we make that sure? We will make it sure by evaluating your essays. You will be writing 1 essay a day throughout the 7 days. Not only it will basically make your capabilities more polished, आप एक flow state में आ जाएंगे, आपको लिखने की प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, और आपका शायद अभी तक जो fear linger कर रहा है essay के बारे में, जब आप 7 essay पै दर पे लिख के चेक करवाएंगे from someone who has passed it himself, so you will be more confident going into the examination, and definitely you will ace it. So we are